it's been a while, but here we are. We're back with the skincare routine. So lately my skin has been extremely clear, but not only have I been drinking more water for this, but I've also been sticking to a routine that I finally, for once, feel comfortable with and feel like it's working. So I've been using these products for about 3 to 4 months, and my skin gets like a pimple or two or maybe a blackhead, but especially now during this pandemic, you want to be sure to cleanse your face thoroughly and have a steady routine. So I'm starting with the Cerave facial cleanser. I love this cleanser. I usually just use my fingertips to rub this in, and that's about it. I used to use a brush and I have all these different technologies and products, and I like this instead. So this pimple just popped up out of literally nowhere, like she wasn't invited, don't know, but I'm sure she'll be gone in a couple of days. I don't even try to switch it up. I used to try and do all this and buy these acne pimple covers. I just keep the same routine, and that's what works for my skin. So for a face mask, I take this Canadian hemp seed clay mask. It's for oil absorbing, and the polishing charcoal black scrub. It's a gel mask and a scrub. And I usually put on the Canadian hemp seed mask first because it's more of like that creamy consistency, and leave that on for like a minute. Then I go ahead and take that scrub and I mix it in with the hemp clay mask, and this just makes sure I'm exfoliating as well as getting that oil out of my skin. I leave both of those on together for about 5 minutes, usually in the shower. I know I'm not the only one that Kaylani just hits different. You know the vibes. Next, I'm going to take this Gentle Exfoliant by Derma Essentials. It's an overnight peel, and I just take about 2 pumps and rub that in with my fingertips. I like this because it's fragrance free. Trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. After the overnight peel, I take the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and I spray that all over. I make sure I get my neck as well because we don't want to leave that out for anti-aging purposes. I've been using this Pearl Essence hemp seed oil for about 2 years, and this is what keeps my skin glowing, and you really don't need that much. I do about 3 drops on my forehead and my cheeks and my chin, and that goes a long way. And then afterwards, my mom just bought me this new like roller, and it also comes with an usha, I don't know what that thing is called, but I use that to really get that oil in there and roll out all of that lymph that's in my face. So that is it. This is the routine that keeps my skin super clear and glowing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Don't forget to follow my social medias, and have a beautiful day.